All right, guys, so I just took this cat out, and this cat does not look bad. I was hoping that this thing would be clogged up and stuff. It's not clogged up. So my problem now is I spent like $700 on this cat because I thought maybe the cat was clogged up, and that's why I was getting this code. It doesn't really matter because I'm gonna have to put the cat in anyway. And I'm gonna put that cat in it, the new cat anyway, because it's still got a lot of mileage on it. Now I still have a code issue. I don't know whether it's time belt that's the problem. It really sucks. I mean, this cat looks pretty clean. I mean, it looks pretty clean, but who knows? Hopefully. Maybe it's stuffed up on this end. Man, I was hoping, cross my fingers, that this would be like really, really dirty. Now I'm in this situation where I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna have an issue with the timing belt, me having to change up the timing belt on this truck, which I do not want to do. Because it is going to be a pain in the butt for me to do it. I'm not quite sure what the problem is at this point. Me removing the cat actually changed up the code. I mean, changed up the cylinders that was misfiring. So I was hoping that it might have been this issue, but it might still be this issue. I'm not quite sure. But if you guys have this issue, if you guys have any comment, leave your comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All right, guys. Take care.